that one doesn't fit. You put the shoe on your foot. That was a good job. Let's try this one. Can you put the shoe on your foot? Yeah, you did it, buddy. Good job.
Yeah.
I don't think any of them fit your feet.
Can you put that bib on?
Can you put your bib on? Wow. Show Daddy you can do it.
Are you gonna put your bib on?
Yeah. Good job, buddy. You gonna put a shoe on your foot?
Yeah.
Giraffe?
Are you silly? You're in a box.